father figure. This is a man who takes on the role of a father, especially one who provides guidance, care, and protection in the absence of one's biological father. The concept of a father figure has been acknowledged since at least the early 20th century in psychological and social contexts. It is widely used in both British and American English. For example, he was more than a coach. He was a father figure to many of the players. Or, after his father passed away, his uncle became a father figure to him.